The DVX 4K60 presentation switcher is a unified audio, video, and control device that replaces a rack full of equipment for a solution that is less expensive, easier to install, and more reliable. The 4K DVX supports the latest technologies to deliver full 4K60 444 and HDR video on every output. Both models have HDMI and DX Link inputs and outputs and feature Smart Scale to ensure that every display receives the highest supported resolution. DX Link inputs and outputs transmit audio, video, control, USB 2.0, and power up to 100 meters on a single category cable. The 4K DVX leverages Harman's legendary audio technology. In both models, a Crown Drive Core amplifier, audio processing by BSS, and the latest DVX feedback suppression work together to ensure that users enjoy the highest quality audio experience. Both models also include analog microphone inputs, line-level inputs, line-level outputs, and amplified outputs. To simplify audio expansion, both models support up to 8 input and 8 output channels of Dante audio, which can be freely mixed and routed. The compact 2RU design of the 4K DVX saves space when installed in a rack, credenza, or lectern. Installing endpoints requires nothing more than plugging them in. The 4K DVX automatically discovers and configures them on an isolated private network. DX Link transmitters and receivers are all powered directly from the 4K DVX, eliminating the need for external power supplies or additional power cabling. There is no special software needed to customize the settings or test the 4K DVX either. A built-in mobile device-friendly HTML5 web interface provides a system-level view with easy-to-read icons that provide at-a-glance system status. From here, you can configure DSP settings, inputs, outputs, and endpoints. The interface even provides diagnostic tools and control of the switcher. The integrated NX processor and its secure operating system provide extensive security features including an isolated network we call ICS LAN, 802.1x support, LDAP integration with unlimited user-defined groups, syslog support, and support for encrypted IP communication using FIPS 140-2 validated cryptographic modules. ICS LAN provides added security for the enterprise and simplifies installation greatly. Transmitters, receivers, and AV devices connected to the DVX can communicate using this internal network to minimize the number of devices that an IT team must manage. The DVX 4K60 presentation switchers are the only switchers of their kind capable of delivering perfect 4K60 444 video and the only with Dante audio inputs and outputs. These 4K DVX models join the existing HD models, making the DVX family the most complete line of all-in-one presentation switchers available.